Hey Pressure and Savers, I'm about to head to Kroger here in just a moment. I think I have about 3 or 4 Moneymakers on today's haul and a couple freebies. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and let's get started on our Kroger haul. First thing I'm picking up is this Crystal Light. My daddy loves these to put in his waters. These are 99 cents on the Mega. There's a 10 cent on IBOTTA. And also you can do this deal 5 times on IBOTTA. And then also there's a Kroger cashback with 10 cents. So you'll get 10 cents back on the Kroger. You just have to make sure that you put it in your, you scan it for your Kroger cashback before you check out. And that's a limit of 5 as well. So 99 cents, 10 cent on Kroger cashback, and 10 cent on IBOTTA. I'm making these just 79 cents each. Love a moneymaker at Kroger. These are $2.69 on the Mega. We have a $3 coupon on the Kroger app, making this a 31-cent moneymaker. So just click that in the app, and there you go, moneymaker, easy peasy. All right, we have another moneymaker on the Chic Extreme razors. These are $5.49 on the Mega sale this week. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up one of these. There is a $4 coupon on the Kroger app, bringing it down to $1.49. Then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $2. And I think this is a limit of 2 if you want to pick these up twice if you would like, making these just a 51-cent moneymaker. Wouldn't be a great Kroger week without the Carefree Liners. Sometimes these are free, but not this week for me. I don't have the IBOTTA rebate that a lot of people have. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 of these at $1.99, making it $3.98. There is a $3 digital coupon on the Kroger app for both of those, making it just 98 cents for both packs, or 9 cents a pack. So 49 cents a pack for these liners. Anytime I see this coupon in the Kroger app, I always clip it for $1 off this price here. And these are on sale this week for $2.49. We're going to clip that $1 coupon in the Kroger app, making these just $1.49. So pretty great deal because this is the gum brand and it's actually cheaper than the Kroger brand and anything else. So $1.49 for the gum comfort slides. These are $2.99 each. Make sure you scan it in the Kroger app. So what we're going to do is pick up 2 of them at $6 for both. We're going to use the $4 coupon and making these just $1 per tube of toothpaste. Alright, I'm checking out this Chobani probiotic drink. They've got the pineapple, the cherry, the lemon, and also the peach. So these are $2.49. We have a $1.50 coupon on the app. We also have a $1.50 paper coupon. You can move my stuff away, I'm sorry. $1.50 paper coupon. You can use either one of those. I'm going to use a couple of these. Remember, you can only use 3 of the same coupons at Kroger. And picking up a couple of these, and it's just going to make them 99 cents each. Big boxes of Kleenexes are $8.99. There's a 6-pack, so you're getting plenty of those in there. What you're going to do is you're going to buy 2 of these and you'll automatically save $10. So when you buy 2 of these, that's 9 plus 9 is 18. You're taking that $10 off 18, that's $8, and then it'll be $4 per pack. So that's less than 50% off. No coupons needed on this deal. Really great deal, and it's probably the best deal that goes along with the buy 2, save 10 this week. Pick up 2 packs for $4 each. You guys know I love when the goldfish is on Mega. These are $1.19. No coupons needed on these goldfish, so I'm going to pick up 5 bags for my kiddos. All right, picking up these Townhouse crackers for game day. These are $1.99 on the Mega. You're going to pick up 2 boxes, making it $3.98. Then you're going to use a $1 digital on the Kroger app, making it $2.98, or making it $1.49 per box. Love, love, love when they have these chewy bars on the Mega. The Quaker chewy bars are $1.29. You're going to pick up 2 of these chewy bars, and you're going to use this $1 off coupon on 2 of the participating Quaker products. So it's going to be after, when you buy 2 of them, it'll be $2.58. Using that $1 coupon, it'll only be $1.58 for 2 boxes of Chewies. And remember, with the limit at Kroger, you can only use 3 of the same coupons in the same transaction. So I'm actually going to use 3 coupons, picking up 6 boxes, and for both boxes, $1.58. Awesome, awesome deal. Guys, this coupon actually expires tomorrow, so I'm going to leave that coupon. I have 1 extra for somebody who may need it for next time. All right, picking up some cereal for less than $1 per box. They're going to be 99 cents per box. Actually, these are $1.49. We're picking up, Omega, sorry. We're picking up 2 of these because we have this coupon here. If you don't have this coupon, don't worry. You can go to coupons.com and get them. Also, the Kellogg's website has some great coupons right now. But I'm going to pick up 6 boxes using 3 of these $2 coupons, making these just 99 cents per box. Finally found these super coffees. I've been looking everywhere for them. These are $1.49, and there's a $1 rebate on IBOTTA, making these just 49 cents, and I'm very excited to try these out. Got such a great deal on the Velveeta shells and cheese. These are $1.99 on the Mega, and we have a $1 back on IBOTTA, making these just 99 cents per box, and I never ever see them this low. So I'm going to pick up all 5 boxes because on IBOTTA there's a limit of 5 on this deal, so getting 5 boxes for 99 cents each. Amazing. All right, y'all, I'm about to check out at Kroger, and I know my cart is a hot mess today. It really is. I got stuff all under there, but everything's going to be less than $20 after I submit my receipt. I cannot wait to see what happens at the register. Let's go.